Hi my dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. Solve the questions from exercise 13.2. Question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. That means the first question is 108 into 192. This we have to express as exponential form by finding out the prime factors only. So how we will find out the prime factors of a number? You know that, isn't it? We have studied the prime factorization method. So the given two numbers we are first prime factorizing. That is 108 and 192 are the given two numbers that we are prime factorizing. So first 108 prime factorizing. What is it? You know 108 is a even number. So we can start with 2. So 108 dividing with 2 you will get 54. Now again it's an even number. Again you can prime factorize with using 2. Then 2 in 24, 27 times. Now 27 is not an even number and it's a multiple of 3. So we can use 3 here. So 3 into 9 is 27. Again 9 is a multiple of 3. So 3 is a factor. So 3 into 3, 9. Then 3 is a prime number. So the only factor is 3. So we have to use here the numbers only prime numbers. That is the question. So we prime factorize 108. What is that? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So first number is over. Now second number 192. Again it's an even number. So starting with 2 in 192 96. Again it's an even number going with 2. You will get 48. It's an even number again 2. 24. Again 2. 12. 2. Then 6. 2. 3. 3 is a prime number. So the only factor is 3 itself. So we prime factor is 192 also. Now the question first part is over. We have prime factors the numbers. Now the second part is we have to express this as exponential movements, writing as something raised to power. So we have got here the factors. Now let us count the factors. Now 108 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, or in other words how many 2's are there? 2 multiplying 2 times. So 108 we can write 2 raised to 2 square. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 3's are there in 108. So 3 cube. In 192, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 raised to 6. And only 1, 3. So 3 or 3 raised to 1. Now we can apply the law. What laws we can apply here? So we are expressing 108 as 2 cube into 3. 2 square into 3 cube. And 192 as 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 1. Now I am writing first the numbers with same base, that is 2 square and 2 raised to 6, that I wrote similar in the same. Then 3 cube and 3 raised to 1. Now we can apply the law, that is multiplying the exponents with same base. Here we have same base 2 itself, isn't it? So what is the law? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So applying that law, 2 raised to 2 plus 6 you will get this one. Similar way here we will get 3 raised to 3 plus 1. So what is the law we here used here? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now adding 2 plus 6 you will get 2 raised to 8. 3 plus 1 you will get 3 raised to 4. So 108 into 192 can be expressed in the exponential form 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. Solve in another set of questions, that is simplify. 2 raised to 5 whole square into 7 cube divided by 8 cube into 7. So we are going to solve it using the laws of exponents. Whatever laws you have studied, using that we are solving this. So here first 2 raised to 5 whole square. Here we are taking the power of a power. So what is the law there? A raised to m whole raised to n is what? A raised to m into n. So first we are applying the law here. So 2 raised to 5 into 2. Into 7 cube I wrote it same. Now 8 cube. Now this 8 I am going to represent as 8 is 2 cube, isn't it? 8 when we are prime factorizing. How can we prime factorize 8? You know, when we prime factorize 8 we are getting 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to cube. So instead of 8 I wrote 2 cube. Then already one power is there for 8, isn't it? What is that cube? So that whole cube into 7. So again we are having a power of a power. What is that? 2 cube whole raised to cube. Then applying the law there also we will get 2 raised to 3 into 3. What is 2 raised to 3 into 3? 2 raised to 9. Now we have 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube by 2 raised to 9 into 7. Now we have here what? Same. We have exponents with same base. So and we are dividing here. So we are applying that law. So that is 2 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 9. We'll have 2 raised to 10 minus 9. Again 7 cube divided by 7. That is 7 raised to 3 minus 1. So we applied the rule dividing the exponents with same base. Now 2 raised to 10 minus 9 is 1 itself. So 2 raised to 1. Then 7 raised to 3 minus 1 is 7 square. Now here they didn't ask you to write it in the exponential form. They just ask you to simplify and we can multiply. So 2 into 7 square is 49. So 2 into 49 98. So in this way you have to simplify. For example, 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 divided by 10 cube into t raised to 4. So first 25 you can write it as 5 into 5, that is 5 square, into again you are having one more 5 square, into t raised to 8 I wrote same. Then 10 cube, here 10 cube I wrote it as 10, you can write it as 5 into 2. So 5 into 2, then 1 cube is there for 3, isn't it? So 3 I wrote like, then 10 raised to 4. Now 5 square and 5 square, so multiplying with same base. So 5 raised to 4, 2 plus 2 you will get 5 raised to 4. Again t raised to 8 I wrote same. Here I am going to split it. 5 into 2 whole cube is 5 cube into 2 cube. Now I am taking 5 raised to 4 and 5 cube others. So that is 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 cube, you will have 5 raised to 4 minus 3. Here t raised to 8 and t raised to 4. So t raised to 8 minus 4. 2 cube I wrote it same, no difference. 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Here there is nothing to cancel in 2 cube. Because in numerator we don't have any 2 terms. So I wrote it in the same way. Now 4 minus 3. 5 raised to 4 minus 3 you will get 5. T raised to 8 minus 4 you will get t raised to 4 and 8. Here there is nothing more to simplify because we don't know the value of t. So what is the answer? 5 t raised to 4 by 8.
Let's start a new topic. Decimal number system. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Students, you are learning this from the lowest classes, isn't it? Write the following numbers in the expanded forms. So let us read the first number given to you. 2,79,404. Once again, 2,79,404. How will you write it in the expanded form? This is the expanded form which you have learnt in lower classes. That is 2 lakh plus 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 4. That is, expanded form is using the place value of each digit. Isn't it? Now I'll show you how to write this in another way. This also you know, isn't it? This is multiplication with its place value. 2 into 1 lakh, because the place value of 2 here in this number is 1 lakh. So 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1. This is according to the place value of each digit in the given number. Now you know how to write 1 lakh in terms of exponent. How will you write? 10 raised to 5. 1 lakh can be written as 10 raised to the power 5. How can you write 10,000? 10 raised to the power 4. So these two are not the expanded forms which you need in this chapter. As class 7 students, you should know how to write the numbers in the expanded forms using exponents. This is the form which you need. Okay? So the third line, this line is the required answer for you. 2 into 10 raised to 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to 4 plus 9 into 10 raised to 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0. Students, now you are thinking, what is 10 raised to 0? In the sixth law of exponents, you have learned that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So, 10 raised to 0 is 1. Okay. So, 2 into 10 raised to 5, 7 into 10 raised to 4, 9 into 10 raised to 3, 4 into 10 raised to 2, 0 into 10 raised to 1, 4 into 10 raised to 0. This is the expanded form which a class 7 student should know. And 1. If you know to write the expanded form, you should know the reverse process also. So find the number from each of the following expanded forms. So the expanded form is given to you and you should write the normal number. Let's see. 8 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. Students, when you are getting such an expanded form, the first thing that you should check is whether all the numbers are in the sequence 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If any of the number in the exponent is missing, that will be a 0 in your number. Okay. In this question, you don't have anything missing. So, you can write the number directly. That is 8, 6, 0, 4, 5. What is the number? 8, 6, 0, 4, 5. Express very large number in standard form. Standard form. Okay. Your question is 70 lakh. 70 lakh. Now, how will you express? This is the answer. Now, count from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till you reach the second number. Till you reach the second number. Leave the first number till you reach the second number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 7 into 10 raised to 6. 7 into 10 raised to 6. Here you don't have any other digits, only 0. That's why I wrote 10 raised to 6. I'll show you another example. Here you have 3,90,878. 3,90,878. The rule is same. Count from the right till you reach the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers are there. So, how will you write the answer? 3.90878 into 10 raised to 5. Here you need to put the decimal point. Here you didn't put because all the numbers are 0. All the digits were 0. Here you have numbers there. So, you should write 3.90878 into 10 raised to 5. How did you get this 5? You have 5 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's read the third one. 39,087.8. 39,087.8. Now what you have to do is, you have a decimal point in the question, isn't it? Decimal point in the question. So, you should not count the number after the decimal point. From the decimal point to the left, you should count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what will be the answer? 3.90878 into 10 raised to 4. But in the answer, you can see that this 8 is written. Okay. Even though you are not counting it, you should show it in the answer. So this one, how will you write, children? 3908.78. You are not counting this. You will count this. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3.90878 into 10 raised to 3. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Speed of light in vacuum is, you can read this. How will you write this number in the standard form? This is the standard form. So here you will count till you reach the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Now diameter of the earth is, how will you read this? 1 crore 27 lakhs 56,000 meter. So till the second number you will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how will you write? 1.2756 into 10 raised to 7. Now you will be thinking, where is these 3 zeros gone? Isn't it? If it is 0, you can avoid it writing that. So you can write 1.2756 into 10 raised to 7 meter.